Hi, we're in the flower trials looking at Carthamus, or safflower. So it's not the most graceful or trendy crop, but it has a few key attributes that we really like and we wanted to show you here today. So the first being that it's a relatively fast growing crop. At 70 to 80 days, it can be direct seeded or transplanted. This planting here was direct seeded in late May. This is late July. We've had a few successions. We have a few successions of Carthamus plantings. This is the second succession. The first one has gone by. They're a one-cut crop, so they bloom kind of all at the same time, and you can come in and do one quick harvest. They will not regrow. It's sort of one and done. And in that respect, they work really nicely with our single stem sunflower planting. So we can plan to have some Carthamus, one cut, sort of bloom at the same time as some of our one cut sunflowers. And the plants have a really sturdy architecture. So I'll show you what that looks like here. You can see this is a 5-stem bunch, 3 sunflowers and 2 stems of Carthamus. So I can show you how sturdy this is. As sturdy a bunch as you could probably make. So these stems are like trees. They're really, really tough and sturdy, and they really add kind of a nice foliage structure to bunches. So that's what that looks like, 5 stems. You could even add in another thing that sort of plays nicely with this bunch are some of the fast grasses. Like this is green drops. Put a couple of stems in there to brighten it up, something like that. A good stage of harvest is when several of the blooms on the stem are showing at least some color. So these unopened blooms after they're cut won't open. So you want to have some color on your stem. Even a stem like this, these 3 are open. This is past. You can pretty easily just pick that past blossom out, and then you have a usable stem. So I'm just taking the whole plant. Super easy to strip. Long, sturdy stems. And that's what 5 stems looks like. Carthamus comes in a few different colors. Most of the varieties you see will be this beautiful orange gold color. There are some light yellow colored varieties, and then also this creamy white color. The variety of Carthamus that we offer at Johnny's is called Zanzibar, and one of the things we really like about it is that it's a spineless variety. So you can see here, this is what Zanzibar looks like, smooth leaves, these rounded leaves, and then as a comparison, this is another variety that does have spines, and you can see the leaves, even the leaf shape is quite different. It's pointy, and there are spines here on the ends of the leaves and on the sides of the leaves, and so this can be very painful to work with, and it's very thistle-like. And then with the Zanzibar is easy to work with because there aren't those spines getting in the way.